Now this is how you can trim the middle of the video on the iPad. So let me guide you through it. If you are first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. Okay, so you probably know that inside of the Photos app, you can edit the video and trim it from one end or the other. But for cutting out the middle portions of this video, we actually need to use a third-party video editor app. It's not possible to be done through the Apple built-in Photos. We need to get an app from the App Store. More options are definitely available, so you'll be able to get things like the LumaFusion, which is paid, right? Or different apps like iMovie. But if you ask me, the best way to get it done would be with an app like CapCut, which is free to download but offers paid subscription for some additional features. But in our case, we are happy with the free version, so I would go with the CapCut, where we have the ability to import the video into the timeline as such, start the editing process. And using this like split tool, we can select then get to the part where we need to cut the video in the middle of it. So we're going to split it as such. Then we're going to move a little bit forward and we can split it again. And then now we have like this middle part of the video, which is separated, and we can just select that and tap the trash icon and it's going to be gone for good. So that's how you can remove it and make it not be part of that video anymore. All we have to do now is just to save it. So we're going to tap on the export button and it will then be saved in the gallery. And this is the general blueprint behind that. No matter if you use this video editor or any other one, this is how it would work. You just cut out the middle parts of that clip and export the finished result. But let me know in the comments below if it worked out well for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.